Hello, hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will take you through Python installation process on the Windows machine. So let's begin. First, we need to download the installer from Python website. So just go to the download option, and as we need an installer for Windows, select the Windows option over there. The latest installer is 3.11.2. Let's go through the details. Now where is the actual installer file? Yeah, here are the installer files, and I'm using the 64-bit OS. So let's download the Windows installer for 64-bit. So downloading is completed. Let's start the installation. It's always better to install as a admin user so that for the file access and all. So installation, it gives a two option: install now and customize installation. I suggest you to select the customize installation option. So as just keep all the ticks as it is. Here it's always better to install the Python for all the users so that it will install under the system repository. You can see the actual installation path. It is user specific, but if you select for all user, it becomes now under the program files. And please don't forget to tick this checkbox as well to add a environment variable. So it takes 2 to 3 minutes to complete the installation. Now within 3 minutes installation is completed. It says setup was successful, but you can confirm that your installation is correct or not using the terminal command. So I will show you that in a minute. Let's open the terminal window, command prompt, and just type python dash version command, and here it is, Python 3.11.2 is installed successfully. So thank you guys. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching this video.